Ayan, welcome guys sa ating live streaming and of course, dito lang yan sa ating karaoke night. Ang ating Saturday karaoke night. Ayan, chill muna tayo guys. Ayan. Chill muna tayo guys sa ang ating karaoke night Saturday. Pang pa-relax. When there's a dark storm on the horizon and you think you can't get through it, just put your hand in my hand and I'll show you how to do it. When the future looks uncertain, you can count on me to be there. And when your heart and soul are hurting, just look and you'll see me there. Just follow where I lead. I'll give you what you need. A love that always true, and someone who believes in you. Merry Christmas, Idol. Then, so when the searching for that rainbow, I will have to find it. And when the mountains stand before you, I will have to climb it. Just follow where I lead. I'll give you what you need. A love that always true, and someone who believes in you. It's time to come alive. Your moment has arrived. I'll bring out the best in you. We can have it all. No, we will never fall. Looking down from our celestial view. And Len, mega love shoutout sa ating napakagwapang Cyrus Divine Apolinario. Ayan. Share muna tayo, Len, Kanta-kanta lang pag may time. And of course, thank you so much sa ating mga suki dyan sa dropshipping. Just follow where I lead. I'll give you what you need. And I tell you something else. You start believing in yourself. It's an easy thing to do when you have someone who believes in you. Just follow where I lead. I'll give you what you need. And I tell you something else. You start believing in yourself. It's an easy thing to do. You have someone who believes in you. Someone who believes. Someone who believes. I'm someone who believes. And you got someone who believes in you. Thank you so much. Ayan, thank you so much guys. And of course, siyempre, it's a barley time. Ayan. So magtimpla muna tayo ng barley juice natin guys. Sa mga hindi pa alam kung paano ito timplahin yung ating mga barley juice, of course, yung ating mga suki dyan sa Roma at sa mga iba pang lugar dyan, international. So shout out sa ating mga barley user guys. Available lang ating barley juice dito sa Roma. Ayan, meron tayong office sa Roma. Len, kamusta ka dan, Len? Chill muna tayo, Magbabarley muna tayo. Baka gusto mo rin, Len. So, kung kahapon tayo nagtrabaho, kaya chill muna pagdating ng gabi.
Ayan. And of course guys, meron tayong bagong product ngayon ng ating barley coffee. Dumating na ang ating barley coffee guys. Available na tayo ngayon dito sa Roma. Ang ating barley mocha at saka barley coffee mocha at saka classic. So, barley guys yung ating coffee. Kaya napakaganda. So, available na siya dito sa Roma. Ayan guys, sa mga paano natin i-shake ang ating barley juice. So, meron tayong barley bottle guys. Available din dito sa Roma ngayon. And meron tayong white and green. Ayan. So, thank you so much kay Naya Ring. Thank you sa mga order dyan ng barley. And of course, sa aking new customer na si Sis Daisy. Thank you so much sa pag-purchase ng one set of kind skincare. Ayan. So, sa mga gustong subukan ng ating kind skincare guys, available lang ating one set. Ayan. Meron akong link dyan sa comment section. Mamaya, lalagay ko para mag-add to cart na lang kayo guys. Ayan. So, barley juice muna tayo guys habang kumakanta. At chill. Len, kumusta ka Len? Ayan, ang ating barley juice. Partner Karin, thank you so much sa pakik sa 100p Kick Club. Ayan, thank you so much. Thank you sa Kick. Ayan, thank you so much. May galab shoutout sa ating partner dyan. Partner Karin, ang napakasipag nating business partner dito sa Roma. Ayan. So, kantaan muna natin ang requested song ng ating Lima Boris de Taro. Ang kanyang paborito na kanta. Ano, Idol? Idol Lima, ano ba? Balang ko na imong request, Aryo. Ari mo ko, request to. Para kay Papa Nelson. O mag-barley ka na dyan para malakas ka. Ayan, habang nandyan pa si Ma'am Lima. Ayan, thank you so much sa ating super gifted star, ang ating Lima Boris de Taro. Ayan. Para sa iyo to, Idol Lima.
Kometisan.
Ayan, thank you so much guys. Ayan. Sige lang, tipong kalanda. Damo na tipon si boss. Alright, this song's for Ma'am Lima Boris de Taro. Ayan, chill guys. Thank you sa pastar, Ma'am Lima. Day by day I miss you so, you have to go my love. With the ship so far away, you told that you will return before the autumn came. Every day I dream of you, Nelson. In my dreams a little seagulls flying through the darkest night, challenge, searching for some turtles in the wind. With a ship of lonely lovers I sail over seven seas, try to find the captain of my heart. I sail over seven seas to find to your heart. I sail through the darkest night. I sail to your heart. Ang idol ko dito hindi magbate oh. I sail over seven seas to find to your heart. I sail with the winter nights. Oh, I
si Boss ba? Sige yung ko lang sa Lunes Ayan, mega love shoutout sa gwapo kong classmate, George Dio. Ayan. Next, shoutout na sa imo, Mex I don't fear the stormy night, and I don't feel the cold, all because I miss you so. In the distance I can see the island of my home. Oh, I like to be with you. In my dreams a little seagulls flying through the darkest night, searching for some teardrops in the waves. With a ship of lonely lovers I sail over 7 seas, try to find the captain of my heart. I sail over 7 seas to find your heart. I sail through the darkest night, I sail to your heart, sail over 7 seas to find your heart. Next, shut up. I sail with the winter night. Makyat kami. Mega love shoutout dan kay Migo Nelson. To find your heart. Ayan guys, thank you so much. Ayan. San Leon Rodita is watching. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Ayan, welcome ang ating napakagwapo na Rabuda. Amen. Ano may masaka ka? Ayan. Ayan guys, good news dahil meron tayong new product guys. Ayan. Ang ating barley coffee guys. Ayan, available ang ating barley coffee guys dito sa Roma. Ayan, bagong dating lang ang ating barley coffee na talaga namang napakasarap. Ayan, ang ating barley coffee guys. GC barley coffee. May kasama siyang barley guys ang ating coffee. Available na dito sa Roma. Kararating lang kanina guys. Kaya sa mga gustong mag-order dito sa Roma, available na. And of course, ang ating Barley Coffee Classic, available na rin guys. Ayan. So sa mga suki ko dyan na gustong bumili, add to cart lang kayo sa aking comment section guys. Meron akong link dyan. Sa mga gustong mag-order online, sa mga gusto naman mag-meet up, ayan, nandito lang, message lang kayo guys. At of course, siyempre sa mga gustong mag-join sa ating dropshipping business guys, PM nyo lang ako dahil ako mismo ang magtuturo sa inyo kung paano kayo mag-join dito sa ating dropshipping business. Ayan. And of course, available din guys ang ating kind skincare product. Ayan. So, pangpaganda. Ayan. So, next time, share ko sa inyo kung paano siya gamitin ang ating Kind Skincare. Ayan. And of course, ang ating paborito na barley juice. So, Boss Lima, mag-barley juice ka na dyan, oh. Ayan, oh. Isang timpla lang, shake mo lang. Okay na. Ayan, ang ating barley juice. So, ayan guys, thank you so much. Another one song para sa ating napakagwapong Nelson dyan. Meg, mega love shoutout sa imo,
Ci presenta Green Active, il nostro...
Ayan, sa ating mga 90s favorite song. Shoutout sa inyo dyan guys. Ayan. So, welcome sa ating karaoke night. Of course, dito lang yan sa ating FN The Dreamers. So, sa mga may YouTube and TikTok guys, follow nyo ako sa aking YouTube channel.
Il perfetto equilibrio tra il cremoso gelato alla vaniglia e il croccante cioccolato. Lasciati.
And of course guys, sa mga gustong mag-order ng ating product guys, available lang ating Kind Skincare, ang ating barley juice capsule and juice, available siya. Ayan. So chill Saturday night, chill. I've been looking at people and how they change with the time. And lately I've been seeing our people throwing love away and losing their mind. Maybe it's me who can crazy, but I can understand why all these lovers keep hurting each other when good love is so hard to come by. So what's the glory in living? Doesn't anybody ever stay together anymore? And if our love never lasts forever, tell me what's forever for? And I still love hungry people, trying their best to survive. When right there in their hands is a dying romance, and they're not even try to keep it alive. So what's the glory in living? Doesn't anybody ever stay together anymore? And if our love never lasts forever, tell me what's forever for? So what's the glory in living? Doesn't anybody ever stay together anymore? And if our love never lasts forever, tell me what's forever for? Alright, thank you so much guys. Ayan, mega love shoutout dyan sa ating mga ka-dreamers guys. So ayan guys, available lang ating product, ang ating barley juice dito sa Roma. So sa mga gusto mag-order guys, PM nyo lang ako. Sa mga gusto ding mag-order online, meron akong shop link dyan sa comment section guys. Pwede kayo mag-add to cart. Ayan. So available sa ating shop link. One more song, another song para sa ating karaoke night chill. Ayan. I know you're everything that I've been looking for, and I look into your eyes and could not ask for more. So it's only fair to lay it on the line. Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time. But if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to fall me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again, bird to fly, it sounds a long way down. And yet, if you just trust in me, I'm sure I came around. And I know when you're hurt, it's hard to let someone inside. In your arms I feel I'm ready now to try. So if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again, I'd be a fool to ever let you go. You're the best thing in my life, when I know I'm gonna take it slow. Ayan, mega love shoutout dyan sa ating Al-Qaeda clan. No, it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again, if I ever fall in love again. Ayan, thank you so much sa ating mga ka-dreamers dyan. Ayan guys, one last song para sa ating mga
Quanto vorrei una tazza di
idol
Coco
dyan.
Pops.
So ayan guys, available ang ating barley juice guys dito sa Roma. And of course, sa other country, available din guys. So sa mga gusto mag-order guys, meron tayong shop link dyan sa comment section. Add to cart lang kayo. At sa mga sa Roma naman guys, dito sa Rome, so gusto nyo mag-try sa aking barley juice, so PM nyo lang ako guys, available ang ating barley juice. Ayan. And of course, ang ating Kind Skincare guys, sa next live ko, isi-share ko sa inyo kung paano siya gamitin ang ating cosmetic Kind Skincare. Ayan. So one more song guys para sa ating Saturday chill. Ayan, mega love shoutout sa ating 1,000 in the house. People in the house. Another night slowly closes in, and I feel so lonely. Touching heat freezing on my skin, I pretend you still hold me. I'm going crazy, I'm losing sleep. I'm in too far, I'm away too deep over you. I can't believe you're gone. You were the first, you'll be the last. Wherever you go, I'll be with you. in shadow mode but cross the wall. I feel so frightened. I wanna run to you, I wanna call, but I've been hit by lightning. Just can't stand up, we're falling apart. Can't see through this feel across my heart over you. You'll always be the one. You were the first, you'll be the last. Shout out, guys. Wherever you go, I'll be with you. Whatever you want, I'll give it to you. Shout out dyan kay Kasbong, ha. Whenever you need someone to lay your heart and head apart, remember after the fire, after all the rain, I will be the flame.
Pwede na ba, Kas?
I will be the flame. I'm going crazy, I'm losing sleep. I'm in too far on, away too deep over you. You'll always be the one. You were the first, you'll be the last. Wherever you go, I'll be with you. Whatever you want, I'll give it to you.
Ayan, thank you so much. Ayan. So thank you so much guys sa ating mga idol dyan. Kas, thank you so much guys. Kas, try mo yung ating barley juice. Ayan. So visit ako dyan kay Kas, Bongbong Nagkita kami kanina ni Bayaw mo. Dadalaw lang ako dun sa bahay niya. I-share ko sa kanya yung ating barley juice. Ayan. Maganda Kas ang ating barley juice. Extra energy. So ayan, thank you so much guys. So next live natin guys, i-share ko sa inyo ang ating Kind Skincare, kung paano siya gagamitin ang ating pangpaganda. Ayan. So thank you so much guys, and chill ang ating Saturday night. Of course, dito lang yan sa ating Efren the Dreamers. Ayan. Thank you so much.